Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Dodge Ram. See, this is the car, and this car have a problem. Airbag light on. See, airbag light on. So I checked with my diagnosis tool. I got fault passenger seat belt load limiter deployment control circuit open, and fault code B0082. And today I will show you where is the location in this B0082 passenger seat belt load limiter. Okay, you can see here passenger side I remove this pretensioner belt cover, and then what I see inside, before anyone cancel this system and put it resistance. Okay, so this is the passenger seat belt load limiter, this one. Okay, thank you.